So, meron tayo ditong mangga. Imported siya. And guys, galing siya ng Yemen. So, konsumo lang ito natin kasi gusto kong kumain. So, kaso lang guys, yan siya guys, lutong-luto na siya. So, yung isa, ano natin 2, 4, 6, 8 na piraso. Tapos, tingnan natin ito. Try natin i-cut kasi gustong kakain ng bata. So, i-cut natin. Ano yung kanyang yung loob niya parang Indian mingi lang sa atin ba? Hold it tray.
Okay, you're on the red side, I'm on the blue side. Let's walk across together. Don't do anything stupid.
Ito ang Picasso.
Bro, just literally lock in and do the parkour. This is the easy baby jump, like literally a 2-year-old
Ano ang
can do.
iyang
Oh yeah, 2-year-old can do it. Pick me up. It is fully off. Oh my god, we just started.
ganyan lang siya.
Monkey.
Bro, how did you even just fall off? What was that?
Ayan, mangga. Parang mangga lang sa Pilipinas.
Jumped off into the water? That might be the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
Matamis. Mas masarap yung ano,
Oh my gosh, pull me up,
Egyptian.
pull me up.
Matamis din yata ito kasi pag Yemen siya, matamis naman siya.
Literally slinging me, bro.
Kaysa Brazil, maasim.
Call me heavy, so you took it a step too far. Stop dragging me, stupid.
Matamis.